Okay, house tour time. We have these little gates that we come through. Let's close those up. Got the pool, some lounge chairs. Outdoor area. Got umbrellas, which is great since it's raining. Okay, this is the first room. Nice. Washroom. Toilet, shower. We'll go over to the next room. This is the living area. Here. There's Yan exploring. Table. Ooh, wow. What'd you find? Candles. Well then. And now this is kind of coming handy. Already got some cool fresh bintings waiting for us. One more room, which looks identical to the first one. Let's check out the bathroom. Hello. I think all the doors closed, just stay locked. Ah. Tub, which I am going to try to make use of, and this is the shower. My first outdoor shower. Very nice. Toilet. I love it. I love it. I love it.